So hey guys, we are now writing equations for hyperbolas. Now the first question here, it gives us the vertices, and now they're telling us the conjugate axis is 18 units long. So conjugate is the same thing as covertices. So what we're going to do is, that's going to be our b value, so we're going to take 18, and we're going to divide it by 2 and get 9. We already know our b value. All we need to do is graph these 2 points. So let me get my graph paper. And this is what number? Number 11. So we're going to graph 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 9. Here's 1. And then -1. I'm just going to go here. 9. So what we need to do, sorry about that, we need to figure out the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's our center. Okay. And that number is 3, 9. Okay. And we said how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know this is 4 and it's A. And notice how we're going left to right is X. Okay. We're going to write us an equation. So here we go. A always goes first. So let's come over here. So we know, A is 4, and it goes with X. So I'm going to put 4 here because A is first, and then it goes with the X value. So that means 9 is over here and Y. So now I'm just going to pick up my ordered pair. So it's +3, so we're going to write it as -3. And then -9. And we're done. Aren't those lovely problems? They really are my favorite. So we have another one here. And let me get all this extra. I realized, there we go. Y'all can see my paper. So we're going to do B, again, because it's conjugate. So it's 20 divided by 2. We already know B is 10. Okay. Now I'm going to so now here's number 12. 0, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oops, the daisies. It kind of went over. Sorry about that one. So vertices. Okay. And -8. Let's do it this way. So I just need to find the center. By the way, I'm into the other problem. But at least I'm using graph paper, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. This is my A. And it's an X. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So -4. 9, and this is our center. Okay, so let's go. I always liked writing the shell, so then it feels like I'm plugging stuff in. Okay, so we said A, A is 4, and it was X, so Y goes here, 10 goes here. So it'll be +4 minus 9. Okay. So now we're going to do number 13. Let me get lines in here. Oi. So I'm going to go after those points, and we're going to label as we go. Don't forget to label. So 0, 2, and 0, and I get it. 1, 2, 3, Okay. And then 3. And that's what a coverticity. Okay, so we need to find our center. And there's my center. And 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, and we know this is my B, and it goes with X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is 5. And we also know it goes Y. Okay, let me get my center. 1, 2, 3. So my center is at 0, negative 3. Okay, so we have our B and we have our C. So we need to now go find our A value, because we need A to put everything together. So remember, this is C squared equals A squared, because it's hyperbola, plus B squared. Okay, so C is 3 squared equals, we don't know A squared. Oh shoot, I made a boo-boo. My C is 5. I am so sorry. 5 plus 3 squared. So we get 25 equals A squared plus 9. Subtract 9 over, and we get 16 equals A squared. Square root, so A equals 4. Now, we got 2 ways of doing this. B is X, so that means A is Y. But remember, Ms. Vetrano loves that AC, so C is Y, A is also Y. Okay, let's write an equation. Okay, that shell. Okay, so A is 4, but it goes with Y. So that means X is here and B is 3. So what was my Y equation? So plus 3, and you can leave it alone or put plus 0. It doesn't matter. It means the same thing. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'll see you in the next one with the last 3 questions. Bye, guys.